So we're almost done with the blog section for our website. If I open the design here in Photoshop, you can see we got these share buttons. And let's see how we can implement those buttons without using a plugin. I have opened this website at this.com, and this is a service that provides share buttons and a lot of marketing tools that you can use from your website. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. You can see this orange that says Pro. All the ones that say Pro, well, you have to pay for use them, but these ones in green, where it says free, you can use them only by creating an account in this website. So you only have to sign up in this website and you will have access to all these tools. We're gonna be using this one that says sharing buttons. It says free, and I'm only gonna click here on get code. And here you can customize how you wanna look these buttons. And it says size, and the size for me, this one is okay. I wanna big buttons in my website. And it says show share counts, and you can click here and it will show you how this is gonna look. But I don't want the share count, so I'm gonna keep this one. The number of buttons, 5 is fine, I think. And here it says get the code. Add the following code to the body of your website. So I'm gonna copy all of this, and I don't wanna add this in the body. I'm gonna add this in the single.php because I only will add these share tools to the blog entries. If you wanna add the share buttons in more than one place, well, you can add it in the header.php file, for example, right here. This way you only have to copy this second code in other places, but since I only will add this in the single entry, there is no reason to have the code in two places. So let's add a div with the class share buttons. And inside I'm gonna paste this code, and it says go to add this /dashboard to customize your tools. I'm gonna remove this comment because I don't need it. Next it says paste this code into whichever page you like this tool to show up. So this code is gonna be pasted right here because I wanna show these tools right after this category links that we have here. So this is the code that will print those buttons. So I'm gonna save, and before we reload, we have to activate this service. I'm gonna click on activate, and it says updated successful. Now I'm gonna reload this, and you can see now we got these share buttons. If I click here on the Facebook, it will, well, it says share. We're sharing your Facebook. You can share in your biography of a friend, in a group. Then you can add a comment, and it says, well, it will take you to the website. Since we're working with localhost, well, it's saying localhost. I'm gonna close this one. If I click here on Twitter, it will open the Twitter API, and it says best places to visit in London, and then the website. We got the link to the website. Here you can send to a friend, and here you can print the content. If I click here on the plus sign, you can get a lot of different services or different platforms where you can share this information. So I only have to add some code that says, well, some text that says share. That's what we got here in the design. So I'm gonna save and reload, and let's copy this class because I'm gonna open the style.css, and let's look for blog, and I'm gonna add share buttons, paragraph, and I'm gonna add the color. This is the color that we're working, and let's add something like, well, let's save and reload, and I think I have to add text align left. So let's save again, and it goes so to the left. So I'm gonna add text align center, and maybe it doesn't fix so well because we have a bunch of space right here, and Here we don't have the same room, so I'm gonna click on right. So you can, or you can add more code, more text. For example, share this information, something like that, maybe. So this way we have added this service. And if you have for example, you have a blog and you want to monetize it by adding something like Google AdSense, the process is the same. They will give you a code that you have to add in your website, and then they will give you another code where you can paste the place that you want to show the code for the Google Analytics. And the process is going to be the same, and make this movie, because some people want to monetize their blogs, and this is the way of doing it. Since we're working with localhost, it's kind of hard to add the Google Analytics because they don't want to, they have to visit the site before. But the process is the same. So hopefully this way you can add all the service that you need for your website. And this is everything for the blog. You can see we got everything here is done. In the next video, in the next chapter, we're gonna start working with the contact section for this website.